Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 108 in the active specification. This car comes with a 1 litre PureTech engine that gives you 68 horsepower and has an automatic gearbox. It's done less than 4,500 miles. It comes with a 7-inch touchscreen that features DAB digital radio and Bluetooth. It's got air conditioning, and the car is also free to tax. So let's have a look around. So this is a one-owner vehicle that was originally sold by us from new and has been regularly serviced with ourselves as well. If it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.